So here we have a 2012 International Conventional School Bus, the MaxxForce DT. This is, we got 10 of these engines in the fleet. And this is number 5 in frame. We didn't catch this one on time. We've been changing oil a lot sooner, and that's made a huge difference, keeping the oil clean, keeping the soot out of the oil. And right here, oil sample report. These are handy. It can tell you right down to the parts per million. So there's no abnormal findings. So nothing, metal, soot, fuel, coolant, tells you everything. She's clean. So that's a big thing, and that's made a huge difference. Unfortunately, this one, it was running several years before we started realizing they're wearing out, and the huge blow-by and low compression, and we started acting on the maintenance side of things, trying to cut down on the wear and tear. Because it's expensive. So we got the head out and set the machine shop, get it machined, and new valve seals, and can check for cracks and all that good stuff. You're probably wondering why the front axle was pulled out. It was kind of a coincidental thing, doing a motor vehicle inspection. And on the springs here, you only allowed 3 mil wear, load-bearing surface on inspection. I know it sounds kind of fussy, but it's got a pretty good wear point here. So we thought I'd just pull the front axle. And it's great access, way better. Used to pull the fenders and the tires. But as you can see, it's a huge advantage. It's not really a major job, just pins, lines, some harnesses. Makes the job much easier, save a lot of labor. I just want to show you on the inspection manual that spec for the spring. Right here, any spring leaf is worn more than 3 mil in the hanger contact area or where leaves are in contact with each other. It's on the leaf spring. And the composite spring reject if worn more than 3 mil in a load-bearing area. So 3 mil, it's about 1/8, around there. So it's got to be done, because this CVSE will write it up. I'm going to fix it anyways. But it worked out in this case. So it'll be a fair bit of time to get this, get some new pistons liners and back together and back to normal. And it's going to happen.